What is the exact location of this called Yuki no Otani, or Snow Corridor, or Great Valley of Snow?
You've arrived at your destination.
Find the Sotoyama region, at the top part of the map. It's near Hakkasan Mountain Lodge. Don't forget to like and subscribe.